Hey, good morning there, language arts peeps. Checking in today on April Fool's Day. No fooling though. I've got nothing to fool you with. Maybe you can fool me. Uh, just want to check in, see, let you know it's pretty basic again today. Just easing into this whole distance learning thing. Didn't want to do anything too different. I wanted to keep it familiar for you. But as you can see, 30 minutes a day, you should be reading a chapter book. If you don't have a chapter book, make sure you're in contact with me. I can drop off a bag of them at your house, or we'll figure something out. Put a box outside the school, whatever. We want you to have a chapter book in your hands. I'm not even sure. I haven't checked to see if the library is open or not, but in the Crescent, I'm not sure. Anyway, you read the Deadly Hits article yesterday, and a lot of you, except for three of you, answered all the questions. Great job. And now today you can reread that article and take the quiz. There's a quiz that's posted on Google Classroom. And again, you can use the magazine, the article to answer the questions. No big deal there. And then for the third action step there is basically a writing prompt. I want you to think of it as a quick write, but take a little more time with it because we have more time. And let's use, as you can see, I've scheduled about 30 minutes for that. The first, 5 minutes could just be um, jotting down some ideas about the prompt, making a web, just different ideas on the web, and then just spend some time writing. Could be 10, 15 minutes. Could write for 20 minutes. Maybe you have a lot to say about the topic, and that would be good for today. Okay. Tomorrow and Friday, pretty easy. Friday's a light day just to finish things up. And then next week we'll start our novel study, and I got some information from some of you about some things we can do. We'll hopefully get a chance to meet together on a Zoom, or at least split the class in half or something. Do it that way. But anyway, enjoy your April Fool's Day. All right, talk to you later. Let's see here. Bye bye.